So it's a rainy day and I'm going out with my family. We're out and it started raining again, and I don't know, but we're walking after a very long time. So there she is, my sister, and the weather is really very romantic. So it's really raining hard right now, so I guess I don't want to get wet, but I want to enjoy it. And the ambience is really so nice. The wind, it's fully cinematic. I want to go to Princep Ghar, I don't know why, but I'm having that vibe. If I could go there, it would be great. কিছু করবে না, কিচ্ছু করবে না। So we came for a walk again, and yesterday was fully rainy, and today it's not like that. The weather is quite nice. I mean, the weather is romantic and it's windy. So yes, I like this. I guess it's really nice to have this kind of weather in Kolkata. It's very rare, but I like it. We are coming here after a very long time, and you can see there is a huge amount of grass over here. I didn't expect it. I told you it's very windy, and see, I really love this kind of thing. I mean, I'm a very much nature lover and I love greenery, and this place is my favorite. I literally didn't expect this amount of grass to be here, but I'm happy because the weather is nice. Everything is nice. I love it. A dog. My sister was not aware of it, and the dog, it was like, so at that time we were like, what? So I guess for today our walk is over, and now we are heading to home because we have to have our shower, we have to have our meal, and yeah, so I'm going home. everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And yes, this is from June and I wanted to upload this video on June, but I couldn't because of certain works, and also yeah, there were certain things, so I thought of posting this now. And you have seen my sister in the vlog, and yes, now she's at her home and probably watching it and laughing and cherishing our memories. And yes, in Kolkata it's really very hot, and it's very hot and I'm sweating like hell. And there is an update that my college is going to reopen on 26th. That means new vlogs are coming, so to stay tuned, please to subscribe to my channel because it is free of cost, you know. Also hit the notification bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, you will get the notification and you will come and join it. So yes, that is it. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.